Hey, you want to get out of here?
Sure. Oh my goodness.
Excuse me. Who are you and what are you doing in my house?
Well,
What's going on?
Who in tarnation is this fella? What was he doing in my house?
Well,
Now you tell me right now what you did with my daughter, or I'll pump you full of buckshot.
Well, sir, if you just put the gun down, I'll tell you what happened.
Don't tell me what to do, boy. I think I can figure out what happened just fine on my own. And you're gonna do right by me and my daughter and marry her.
All right, just let me make a call to my parents saying that I'm getting married.
All right, but stay where I can see you.
I just met him. You think I want to marry him? What's wrong with you?
I'm tired of you. Always sneaking off on the weekends and bringing home strange men that slink off before the sun rises. It's time you settled down.
Well, this is my life and I can make my own choices.
Well, as long as I'm supporting you, you'll do as I say. Or you'll be out of the house before you know what's going on.
But Dad...
But nothing. You're gonna go through with this whether you like it or not.
Tell the cops that I've been taken by a crazy man.
Look, man, I know you didn't have that much drink last night. Did you really have to bug me now? I'm in the middle of my shift here.
Look, man, the girl I went home with last night lives with her father, and now he's demanding, and I try to sneak away, and now he's demanding that I marry her at gunpoint. I'm serious.
Look, man, I'll call the cops, but why didn't you just call them yourself in the first place?
Good question. I may or may not still be intoxicated.
You idiot. Anyway, I'm gonna call them now. Don't do anything to get yourself shot. Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to celebrate the holy union of my daughter to this scoundrel.
Are you serious? You trying to marry us? It's crazy, dude.
Of course I'm trying to marry you. You got involved with my daughter, and it was legal in the eyes of God as soon as you two got involved.
Stop, please.
All right, sir. You're out on good behavior.
I've served my time. Now I'm coming for you, flea! Basically, when he walks up, you're gonna act way too pleased to see him, okay?
Oh, hey! You have to act like you like him.
Why can't he just take me home?
Yeah, we can leave it at that, too.
Yeah, leave it at that. Huh? She sees you coming and then she just slams it.
Okay, you're gonna turn around and you're gonna take home.
I want a full handful of ass in your hand. I'm tired of you always going out on the weekends and bringing home strange men that slink off before the sun rises. Settle down.
Okay.
How bad is it? I need to at least, I think I should at least like tap you with it.
Hi, sir. You're good on. You're.